Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 15th December. Let's start. In the year of 1794, on this day, the Revolutionary Tribunal was abolished in France. In the year of 1803, on this day, Odisha was captured by the East India Company. In the year of 1852, on this day, Gustave Eiffel, the French engineer and architect who built the Eiffel Tower, was born. In the year of 1911, on this day, the Banaras Hindu University Society was established. In the year of 1916, on this day, France defeated Germany in the Battle of Verdun during World War I. In the year of 1950, on this day, Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the freedom fighter of India and the first Home Minister of independent India, passed away. In the year of 1952, on this day, freedom fighter Poti Sriramulu, a follower of Gandhiji, passed away. Sriramulu is revered in the Andhra region as Amarjeevi for his self-sacrifice for Andhra. In the year of 1953, on this day, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit of India was elected the first woman president of the 8th session of the United National General Assembly. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is the sister of first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In the year of 1961, on this day in Bangladesh, 15,000 people died in a cyclone that hit the banks of the Ganga River. In the year of 1966, on this day, Walt Disney, the founder of the world's largest animation company, passed away. In the year of 1976, on this day, the country's great footballer Baichung Bhutia was born. In the year of 1988, on this day, Geeta Fogart, the first Indian female wrestler to qualify for the Olympic Summer Games, was born. She won India's first gold medal in wrestling at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. In the year of 1991, on this day, renowned filmmaker Satyajit Ray was awarded the Special Oscar for his achievements in the world of cinema. In the year of 1993, on this day, the GATT Consensus on Trade and Cost Tax World Trade Agreement was signed by 126 countries in Geneva. In the year of 2003, on this day, the Bhutan government started action against the Indian separatists operating here. In the year of 2007, on this day, Emergency Civil Act came into force in Pakistan. In the year of 2008, on this day, the Union Cabinet approved the proposal to set up a National Investigation Agency to deal with terrorist incidents. In the year of 2019, on this day, protests against India's new citizenship bill spread to major cities, killing at least 5. In the year of 2019, on this day, the longest UN climate talk ended in Madrid with only a deal to curb carbon, with other targets postponed by a year. In the year of 2020, on this day, vehicles without high security registration plates were fined in Delhi. Earlier, the Delhi Transport Department had directed the people of the national capital to affix their vehicles with high security registration plates and color-coded stickers. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister of United Kingdom Boris Johnson has accepted PM Narendra Modi's invitation to be the chief guest at the Republic Day 2021 celebrations in New Delhi on 26 January 2021. This information was shared by UK Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab today. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian Coast Guard offshore patrol vessel Sujit was commissioned by Secretary Defence Production at Goa Shipyard Limited at Vasco Town, Goa. It is the second in the series of 5 OPVs. In the year of 2020, on this day, the interceptor boat C-454 manufactured by Larsen and Toubro at its Hazira plant was operated from Gujarat under the control of the Commander Coast Guard Zone northwest of the Indian Coast Guard. It was commissioned by Surat Police Commissioner Ajay Tomar. In the year of 2020, on this day, eminent aerospace scientist and Padma Vibhushan awardee Rodam Narasimha passed away. He had served at the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, where he taught aerospace engineering from 1962 to 1999. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.